Қалдарыңызға лай амансыздар ма? Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about the unique features of the Kazakh language. Kazakh is a very special, melodic and a historically rich language. If you want to learn a new language, Kazakh can be an interesting and a unique choice for you. Kazakh belongs to the Turkic language family and is part of the Kıpçak branch. It is closely related to language such as Kyrgyz, Tatar, and Bashkir. Because these languages share many similarities, if you know one of them, it becomes easier to learn another. The history of the Kazakh language goes back very far. In ancient times, the Kazakh people lived a nomadical lifestyle, meaning they moved from place to place. As a result, the language developed mainly in oral form rather than written. Poets, storytellers, warriors, and wise speakers played a major role in enriching the language. Many epics, songs, and proverbs have been preserved in Kazakh, showing its richness and beauty. Another important feature of Kazakh is its sound system. The language includes unique sounds that do not exist in English. For example, letters like a, v, ö, o, e, k, g, and ng. Repeat after me again. A, v, ö, o, e, k, g, and ng creates a distinctive melody of Kazakh. Some sounds require practice to pronounce. For instance, the sound is pronounced through the nose. These sounds make Kazakh unique and beautiful. In addition, one of the most important rules in Kazakh is vowel harmony. According to this rule, sounds within a word harmonize with each other. Vowels are either back or front, and the suffix change accordingly. For example, the word bala, child, becomes balalar, children. While mektep, school, becomes mektepter, schools. This is because the vowels in the first word are back vowels, while in the second they are front vowels. This rule makes the language sound natural, smooth, and melodic. Kazakh is agglutinative language. This means new meaning are formed by adding suffix to words. For example, the single word kitaplarımdan contains several meanings at once. Book, plural, books. My books, yes, my books, and from my books. In English, we would need multiple words to express this from my books. So in Kazakh, one word can carry a lot of information. This is one of its most unique and interesting features. When it comes to sentence structure, Kazakh differs from English. In English, the word order is usually subject, verb, object, while in Kazakh it is subject, object, verb. For example, in English we say I read a book, but in Kazakh it is men kitap okuyman. Again, men kitap okuyman. Men I, kitap mean book, kitap means book, and okuyman read. Okay, which literally follows that order. The verb comes at the end of the sentence. This structure may seem difficult at first, but As you learn, you will notice how logical it is. Politeness and the respect are also very important in Kazakh. For example, the word sen, it means you, is used with friends or people close to you, while siz, it means also you but politely, is used to show respect to elders or in formal situations. This reflects the culture and the tradition of the Kazakh people. Through language, people show respect to one another. Overall, Kazakh is a very melodic language. It has developed over centuries through poetry and sounds, which is why it sounds soft and harmonious. The language is not just a tool for communication, but also a reflection of culture, history, and the spirit of the people. In conclusion, Kazakh is a deeply historical, structurally unique, and a very rich language. By learning it, you not only gain new words, but also discover an entire culture. Finally, let's learn a few simple words. Hello, salam. Again, hello, salam. Thank you, thank you. Rahmet, rahmet. My name is. Менің атым. Okay, thank you for listening. Goodbye.